Hey guys, James Crowley here with the product team. I want to take a minute to explain the design of this wide angle light and what makes it so different from our traditional spotlights. A traditional underwater spotlight has a 30-degree beam angle. This provides you with a circular shaped light output that spreads light out in all directions. The wide angle light, on the other hand, has a larger 90-degree beam angle and incorporates what is called cutoffs into the optical lenses. These cutoffs are designed to focus all the fixture's light energy into a wide horizontal plane out in front of the light. Now you're probably familiar with this concept as it is becoming more commonly used with automotive headlights. It allows a headlight to brightly light up the roadway, but then uses a reflector to create a crisp beam cutoff on the light pattern to prevent the headlights from blinding oncoming traffic. The Aquascape wide angle light is actually designed with two cutoffs, one on the bottom and one on the top. The lower beam cutoff is important because we don't want the light beam to go downward and create intense bright spots on the rocks and gravel right below the light. We call this a beam hotspot, and with the wide angle light, we are trying to create a nice even glow in the pond without these hotspots. We also have a second beam cutoff, and this is along the top of the light output. The top beam cutoff prevents the light from traveling up and out of the pond where the light output is lost into the night sky. When positioning the spotlights on a pond, you typically want to make sure that the lights are facing away from the main viewing area so you don't blind people sitting or standing off to the side of the pond. This isn't the case with the wide angle light. The beam cutoff design keeps the light below the surface of the water, allowing the wide angle light to be positioned anywhere around the inside of the pond. So the wide angle light and the spotlight are two totally different types of lights, but both have their place in pond lighting design. Which one do you choose? Well, it depends on what you're trying to light up, but hopefully this explanation will help you narrow down that decision.
At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.